So, GladiatorOS is one of the active MIUI port for POCO F1. I am still fan of GladiatorOS 12.6. Without any doubt, I can suggest it for anyone who is looking for something new and performance. Today, let's look at GladiatorOS 2K build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. Keep in mind that I didn't perform any modification with this build. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, let's talk about a About Phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 10 MIUI and did integrated some features from MIUI 12.5. The security patch they are using is from 1st August 2021 and the kernel coupled is PUBG 10. When comes to password and security, the ROM does includes IR face unlock, fingerprint and more. Both are pretty faster and responsive. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted, and if you want to encrypt it, you have to do it manually. Display settings includes dark mode, which works well. You can also enable the new style control center from here. If you come to control center and status bar settings, there is option for notch hiding. The feature works pretty well. I didn't notice any gesture bug here, but after hiding the notch, the corners are not rounded. Under settings, everything else is the same as MIUI 12, but did added some modified icon packs, so I am not going to talk about common features here. Another major change happened here is MIUI 12.5 cam, which did coupled with some excellent features. I did notice features like supermoon, clone, sticker avatar are broken, which they have already mentioned in their changelog. But all other features are working pretty good. Another addition with this ROM is MIUI 13 file manager, and all options present here is working pretty clean and solid. There is no AOD available in this build, but there is some lock screen setup present, which you cannot remove normally. I did felt it as annoying when you will get some notifications. I did try changing multiple themes and launchers, but no luck with removing it. Anyway, that is my personal opinion, but you may like it. Another important feature for gamers is the new Game Turbo 4.0. The feature is working pretty well, but I did notice that the voice changer is missing from here. Out of the box, the ROM is not passing Saftynet checks, and if you go to Google Play and settings, Google Play protection is broken. I believe that needs some workaround to pass, but as of now they are not passing. Out of the box, AnTuTu scores 3,65,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 524 and multi-core 2210, which are great scores for Snapdragon 845. And to understand more about performance, I did tried a 30 minutes of CPU throttling test. The ROM did manage to keep up the graphs in green and given a average score of 1,99,000 plus. So that being said, let's do a gaming test. BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. FPS and screen recorders are enabled. I am using this ROM from more than a day now, and I didn't felt any major issue with it. In fact, the ROM is pretty solid and smooth. You can easily get a 7 hours of screen on time even if you are gaming average. Another important asset of this ROM is its thermal handling. Even after 2 hours of continuous usage, the phone was not even exceeded 50 degrees Celsius. Keep in mind that I didn't use any cooling method. As you see, the gaming experience is also good enough. The FPS was always closer to 60, something great I'll say. But I didn't get that extraordinary experience I felt with GladiatorOS 12.6 version. Still a fan of that version of course. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here. And I'll catch you in next one.